Who is ready for another episode of Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays, man? Week 21 in full effect right here, and we have a great box for you guys today. This box is going to be $1,300, $1,300 from Sole Supremacy. You guys know who Sole Supremacy is, the OG beater box kings, man. Hopefully we get some good stuff in here because I feel like we've been on a pretty solid streak. I mean, if you guys check back on like the most recent like Mystery Box Friday episodes, it seems like we've been getting some pretty solid like value out of these boxes. And honestly, I've been moving these products pretty fast, so it's been solid so far. Hopefully we can continue to roll with that though, so we got to see. Anyway, before we get into the mystery unboxing, I do want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is the premier minimalistic jewelry company that you guys need to get on, man. I've been repping RGB for a really long time, man, and I can't tell you guys like literally how much compliments I get on like the jewelry that I'm wearing and stuff, and people asking where can I pick up that same jewelry, because it does have that minimalistic and stylish flair that a lot of people are looking for, but they don't really know like how to style themselves. Rose Gold and Black makes it easy, man, because it's easy to throw on pieces. Like right here, this is that silver wing necklace. You guys can check it out over here. High quality product, man, and it just looks super stylish. Like you throw it up against a black t-shirt and it just instantly pops. Everybody recognizes it, looks good, and kind of brings the whole outfit together, if you know what I mean, man. It just breaks up all of that black and just makes a good contrast to what you're wearing. So that's why I like RGB, man, and I hope you guys check it out. If you guys go to that link in the description below, it will take you to Rose Gold and Black, where you will get 25% off your order as well as free shipping if you guys click on that link. And their prices are really great, but with that untied discount, man, it gets even better. So why would you not cop today? Anyway, check that out, man. RGB. Let's get into the unboxing. This is gonna be interesting. There are no shoes without boxes, so that's a good sign, but I see a lot of like brick sneakers in here, so we gotta see. Anyway, the first box over here looks like a pair of Ute size sneakers. This is a Jordan 13 in a size 4Y. All right, this is a dead stock pair actually of the Jordan 13 Altitude, so that's a good thing, man. Dead stock sneakers obviously sell very well. You guys can check this out over here. Altitude Jordan 13s. Still has that plastic sticker attached actually back here. Good sign that it's dead stock. And bottoms obviously 100% clean, so that's good. But the problem with this one is that even though it's dead stock, I mean, you guys can kind of check out that the box got smashed in shipping. So that's gonna be a problem. I'm gonna see what I can do to kind of like straighten this thing out. Hopefully we can still sell it as dead stock, but you guys can follow along over here on the counter to make sure that we're getting some good value out of these sneakers. Next shoe out, we have a Nike box. This one is a Air Max 97 in a size 10. Wait, is this also dead stock? This might be another dead stock sneaker, man. I can't really tell. I'm not big on Air Max 97s, but this is a pretty nice design, dude. And I'm also not certain if this is dead stock or not. The bottoms look relatively clean, and I don't see any markings or anything on the upper. This patent leather on the side is not creased or anything, so it's a very interesting sneaker. I'm gonna check this out more thoroughly after the video, but the price on the screen actually reflects what we're gonna get out of this, so hopefully it's dead stock. Also, if you guys are interested in buying any of these shoes, check out untiedhawaii.com. They will be up for sale over there. And now we can mix it up with an Adidas box over here. I don't even know if you can call this a box, dude. Like, why would Sole Supremacy ship this? This is a horrible box. Look at this. What is this? Oh man, it's just barely hanging on over there. Okay, well, I don't know why they shipped that. Oh, I guess that's why. It's another dead stock pair of sneakers. But I mean, is it really dead stock when the box looks like this? Anyway, check this out over here. This is a pair of Ultra Boost 19s. That tag is still attached, so you guys know it's dead stock. Bottoms, obviously super clean. Uppers, I mean, they're interesting. Ultra Boosts look a lot different, I guess, nowadays than they did in the past. Still, Boost technology is very comfortable, so I know this one will move. Also, sorry, I forgot to mention, it is a size 11.5. I personally will be getting rid of this box over here, so if you guys buy this one, then I'm sorry, but it doesn't come with the original trash. I don't know what that is. Next up is a Vapor Max Flyknit 2. This is a women's size shoe. size 6.5, I think. Ooh, okay, so this looks like it's a replacement box. This is super weird. This is why I thought it was like a 6.5, because you guys can check out over here. It says 6, but it has that 0.5 blacked out. So this is a replacement box, actually. It's not the real box, because this is a size 6 when I look in the sneaker. And again, I think this one might be a tried-on pair because those bottoms are super clean. Just gotta remember that it does not have the OG box, unfortunately. This next one, though, is an Air Force One Low size 8 Pigalle SP. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a collab shoe. Oh, interesting. Interesting. I guess it is a collab shoe. I don't know what Pigalle is. Pigalle. I'm gonna get flamed in the comments for that, but that's okay. Premium leather upper, and it also has those premium laces as well. So overall, just good materials over here. And these soles are actually really unique too. I don't know what these markings and stuff are supposed to be on that sole, but it does look like it's supposed to reference something regarding whatever collab this is. So I gotta go do my research and find out what company this is, but I'm hoping that this has some good value. I'm not sure. Size 8. A couple more in here. This one is a size 9.5 Nike M2K Techno. Oh, sorry, women's 9.5. All right. I haven't seen these things in person yet. I mean, the dad shoe craze is still hitting pretty hard, I guess, because this is a pretty chunky looking sneaker, man. It has actually a really nice color palette though on the top. It has kind of like a Boise State kind of look. Blue over here, orange over here. Overall, pretty nice design. Bottom's a little bit dirty, so this might be the first like definitively worn sneaker that we have so far. And I mean, it's not too bad. So this equates to, I believe, a men's size 8 if you guys are interested, or a women's size 9.5. 3 shoes left in here. This one is a Nike M2K Techno size 8. This is a men's one though. Okay, these Technos are really interesting. I mean, I feel like these are like Nike's takes on Yeezy like 700s. It just feels like kind of similar. You know what I mean? Like, look at that. This one is a pretty standard looking shoe. Overall, just a very white upper with that hint of orange on the back, making like a nice contrast. So it's not too bad. Bottom's a little bit dirtied up. Nothing too crazy on this one. 2 shoes left. I saved the best ones for last, or what I believe to be the best ones for last. This one is a Nike SB box over here, and it is a size 8.5. Oh, okay. So this is actually a Jordan 1 Nike SB. Ooh, okay. I like that, man. This is a pair of the Lance Mountains in very, very solid condition. Yes, okay, now I'm getting excited because this is a fire pair, dude. Jordan 1 Nike SB collab with Lance Mountain. This is actually one of those sneakers that you can rub off this paint, revealing a Jordan 1 Royal, which is why you guys can see that blue sole. On the other shoe, this one is a Jordan 1 Bread underneath. So, I mean, it's a pretty nice concept. We've seen similar stuff with this recently with like the LA to Chicago, but this is the OG of that, man. This is gonna be a crazy boost to the value up top. Already can feel that. Also comes with those extra lace bags, so value gets even better there. Really like that. That might be the money shoe of the box. But we have one more sneaker in here, and this one is a Jordan 1 box in a size 8.5. Whoa. Okay, this is the money sneaker then. It must be. This is a pair of Jordan 1 Chicago's in a money size 8.5. And this is the good Chicago too, dude. This is the 2015 model, 2016, one of those years. But the leather on this one is premium quality leather. Jordan 1 Chicago, dude. Very nice way to end this box right here. Check this thing out. Classic colorway, one of the original colorways for the Jordan 1. No damages or scratches on here, it looks like. Bottoms, yeah, they've been used, but overall, pretty solid sneaker right there, man. And if you guys don't know, like, Jordan 1 Chicago's in this year go for a lot of money. Well, I mean, I guess you guys do know. You guys saw it on screen. Anyway, they go for a lot of money, man. That's a huge way to end the box. I love that. I'm feeling a lot better about that box overall, but I do the calculations at the end, so I'm hoping that we made some good value on this. But it's Jordan 1s, ones that we've actually never seen before on like Mystery Box Friday, so I got excited for it. Hope you guys did as well. Again, if you guys want to purchase any of this stuff, it will be on untitledway.com. Also, if you guys have been peeping that necklace this whole time, feel free to check out Rose Gold and Black as well, man. Link in the description below. 25% off and free shipping. Can't go wrong, dude. Like I said, this is some clean style right here. If you guys want to follow along with Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays, then feel free to subscribe down below. If you guys enjoyed this Sneaker Mystery Box, don't forget to hit that like button as well. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoot!